Welcome children to Science Lesson 7 Air, Water and Weather. In this lesson, we shall learn about air, forms of water, water cycle, weather and seasons. Air. We are surrounded by air. We cannot see air but can feel it when it blows. Moving air is called wind. Air is made up of several gases. The important ones are oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. All plants and animals breathe in oxygen. Carbon dioxide is used by plants to make food. Air also has other things. It has water vapor, dust, and germs. Air also has smoke and some harmful gases given out by cars and factories. These gases pollute the air. When we breathe in this polluted air, we fall sick. Forms of water. Water exists in three forms: solid, liquid, and gas. The solid form of water is ice, the liquid form water, and the gaseous form is water vapor. Water is found in rivers, lakes, and seas. It is also found under the ground. Water is a liquid, it flows. When water is heated for some time, it changes into water vapor. Water vapor is a gas. The process of water changing into water vapor by heating it is called evaporation. Condensation. The process of water vapor changing into water by cooling it is called condensation. If water is kept in the freezer of a refrigerator, it changes to ice. This is called freezing. Ice is hard, it is a solid. When we keep ice in a warm place, it changes back to water. This is called melting. The water cycle. Water changes its form in nature too. The heat of the sun warms the water in seas, rivers, and lakes. The water evaporates to form water vapor, mixes with air, and rises up. High above the ground, the air is cool. The water vapor cools and condenses to form tiny drops of water. These drops gather together to form clouds. The water drops join together to become bigger. When they become very big, they fall to the ground as rain. The rainwater flows back into the rivers, lakes, and seas where it again changes to water vapor. This repeated change of water to water vapor and then back to water is called water cycle. Sometimes when the air is very cold, the water drops in the clouds freeze to form ice. The ice then falls as hail or snow. Weather. The weather at a place keeps changing. It can change within a very short time. Weather depends on the sun, air, and water. The sun warms the earth. It is not so hot when the sun goes down or when it rises, but it is hot when the sun is over our head. Formation of the wind. When the sun shines, it heats up the land. The warm air rises up. Cool air from the surroundings rushes in to take the place of warm air. This movement of air is the wind. When the wind blows gently, it is called a breeze. When the wind blows very fast, it is called a gale. When the wind moves with great speed and there is heavy rain, it is called a storm. A storm can cause a lot of damage to trees and buildings. Season. When we have the same weather for a long time, it is called a season. We have three main seasons in India. They are summer, rainy, and winter. Summer season. It is very hot during summer season. The days are long and warm. People like to stay inside and drink plenty of cold drinks. They wear cotton clothes. Rainy season. This season is also known as the monsoon. During the rainy season, it rains a lot in most parts of India. The wind blows and the clouds are dark grey in color. People wear raincoats or carry an umbrella when they go out during the rainy season. Winter season. The winter season is the coldest season. The days are short. In many parts of India, it is very cold. People wear woolen clothes to keep warm. It snows in some parts of our country, but in other parts it is not cold even during the winter season. When the seasons change, we wear clothes to suit the weather. We also get different kinds of fruits and vegetables in different seasons. Let's summarize what we have learnt in this chapter. Air is all around us. Air contains different gases, water vapor, dust, germs, and smoke. Water exists in three forms: liquid, water, gas, water vapor, and solid, ice. In nature, water changes to water vapor, which cools and comes down as rain. This is called the water cycle. A breeze, gale, and storm are kinds of wind. In India, we have three main seasons: summer, rainy season and winter. We wear different kinds of clothes and eat different kinds of food in different seasons. Hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Thank you.